Got snow on the roof? Remove it the quick and easy way with an Avalanche from Marshalltown. Unlike a roof rake, the Avalanche system slides it off, reducing wear and tear on your shingles. Removing the snow has never been easier. First, connect the three 48-inch extension poles together. Next, remove the hook and loop strap and unroll the plastic slide. Then, place it on the roof, aligning the wheels with the edge. As you push the Avalanche upward, the wheels ride on the top of the roof, while the plastic slide slips between the snow and the roof. And just like that, the snow releases and slides down the plastic slide. When you're done, roll up the plastic slide with the supplied lever. Place the hook and loop strap around the roll and disassemble the pole extensions. The Avalanche 500 and 750 series both feature a 17-inch plastic slide, 12 feet long, and include 3 pole extensions for a total length of 16 feet. The wheels on the 500 series will easily glide over asphalt shingles, while the larger diameter wheels on the 750 series can roll across tile shingles, cedar shakes, metal roofs, and even solar roofs. Remove big snow from your roof with an Avalanche, exclusively from Marshalltown.